Hello everybody, this is just going to be a quick unboxing video. I just got this piece today, so I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. Alright, this is one of the Citizen Promaster diver. Okay, and if you were to look at the hang tag, the number is NY0088-11E. So this is a Asia limited edition series. It's supposed to be a reissue, or rather a revamp or upgraded issue of the famous NY0040, or so-called Citizen Lefty. So this is a new upgraded version, and it is only limited to Asia market. It has 5 colorways, and each color is only limited to 1,000 pieces, and there's a 6th color or 6th design that is only limited to Malaysia and Singapore, and that is only limited to 500 pieces. Alright, let's open up the case. Alright, this is the watch. Let me take it out from the watch cushion. So what I got here is the Pepsi version, the blue and red bezel. It has a sign crown. Of course, it's a screw-in crown, and the crown is at the famous 8 o'clock position, so that is why it's called the Lefty, because the crown is on the left of the case. And here is the back. There is a Fugu, I don't know, it's a puffer fish or something, but it's called a Fugu, and as you can see, it's limited edition. But unfortunately, there is no running numbers for the limited edition. They just put an Asia there. And the movement is the 8203 series. It's a Minota movement. It's hand windable, but it's not hackable. Beats at 21,600 beats per hour, and it has a 60 click bezel. The bezel action is quite satisfying, and the backlash is quite okay. It comes with the rubber strap, but the rubber is a little too stiff or too hard for my taste. Maybe I will swap it out to something else. Alright, so this is just the unboxing of the watch. So I will put this watch on my wrist for a few weeks, and maybe I'll do another video, a more detailed video on this piece. And before that, all Citizen diver or Citizen watches comes with the 3-year limited warranty. Of course, this is only applicable in Singapore, Malaysia and Brunei. And if you're really interested to know more about this piece, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on the video. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, gfw_watch. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.